right? All right. What sound is it?
D.
D, D,
D. D.
D, D. All right.
D.
This one.
D. D. D.
All right. All right. Next one. What is it? All right. Very good. Next one. What sound is it? See? All right. This one. One. Next one.
G. 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 G.
All right. This one.
Ha. Ha. Ha.
All right. Next one. Which one is this? Ah,
Ah.
ah.
Ah. Ah. Ah. Ah. Ah.
All right. This one.
Mm.
Quick.
Mm.
This one.
B. B. B.
All right. This one. We did it just now.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Oh, they
Yeah.
get
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
All right. This one. Castanet. Castanet. All right. Next one. This one. Kites are flying in the sky. All right. Next one. Which one is this?
Oh. Wah.
Wah, wah, wah.
Wah. Wah. Wah. Wah. Wah.
This one. We did it just now. The. All right. This one.
D,
D. D.
D.
Right.
O.
Oh. 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 Oh.
All right. This one. Yummy.
Mm. Mm.
Mm.
Mm.
E. E.
E.
All right.
E.
O.
Oh. Oh.
Oat.
Oh. E. E.
E.
Oh, is this E? Sorry, I saw it. Okay.
E.
All right.
Mm.
Proper.
I.
I.
I. Action.
I.
All right. Doom recording. All right. Let's get it done. Unmute yourself.
E.
Set.
Set.
One.
O.
Toast.
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 All word, right? Next one.
Ch.
Wow.
Coach.
Hat.
Hat.
Very good. All right. What is it? Is it wrong? Okay. All right. This is a you word, which is the
You.
alternative. So can we read it again? You.
You. You. Few.
You.
Next one. Is it correct? No. All right. This one.
E. Mixer.
Mixer.
Right. This is a tricky word. No. It's a tricky word also. Let's do this one.
Fox.
This one.
Sorry.
Wait.
Wait. All right. This one. How many alphabets are there? Can we count that? One,
1, 2, 3, 4 4, 5, 6.
quick
6 alphabets.
and how
Alphabets.
4?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Sounds
3
are
sounds.
one,
3
two,
sounds.
three. There are 3 sounds in it.
Three.
Can we blend them?
3.
R,
Church.
all right. This is all right. Oh,
Oh.
all right.
Oh.
All right. So just right. Next one. Thank you very much for the class participation.